Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. And today we have a 2006 DY Mazda 2 Genki hatch, stock reference number 3937. This shape runs from the 6th month 2005 through to the 8th month 2007. It has a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has 2 small dents and a bit of the clear coat peeling off. Left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. It's got a tidy front bumper cover. Right-hand fog light, right-hand headlight. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror just has a small little scratch on the outside edge. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. Left front is a bald tyre. Left front door has 1 small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. It's got left side skirt in pretty good condition. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. The rear wiper arm, wiper motor. Rear spoiler. Right hand tail light garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents. Right side skirt in pretty good condition. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, power fold type. Right guard has 1 small dent. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black automatic centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player. It does have a little bit of fading on the lens. Interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster. The vehicle's only done 135,000, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.